Wee, 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 wee. Where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? What are you doing, Hannah? Where's Hannah's belly button? Where's Hannah's feet? Where's Hannah's nose? Where's Hannah's hat? Uh-oh, is that Duncan? Is that no? Where's Hannah's nose? Where's Hannah's nose? Are you being wild? Where's Hannah's ear? Where's Hannah's ear? Ear? You're gonna play with the Play-Doh? Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Did you drop the Play-Doh? Presley. 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 Mommy. You need to close it? Thank you. Thank you. Let me close it. Close the lid. There you go. Where you going, Hannah? You going bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, is that Hannah's jacket? Is that your jacket? Thank you. Are you going to put the Play-Doh up? You going to put the Play-Doh where we got it? Where'd the Play-Doh go? Thank you, Hannah. You want me to put it up? Okay. I want to put the Play-Doh up right there when we got it. You need to go read a story? You need to go read about Melmo?
Yeah.
You push the trash can in for me? You can close it? Can you close the trash? You need to go read Melmo?